Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You are about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're exploring one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth, the Grand Canyon. Known for its incredible beauty, massive size, and rich history, the Grand Canyon is a place that amazes everyone who visits. But how did this incredible landscape form? And why is it considered nature's greatest wonder? Let's take a journey into the heart of this magnificent canyon. The Grand Canyon is located in the state of Arizona in the southwestern United States. It stretches 277 miles long, up to 18 miles wide, and over a mile deep. It was formed over millions of years by the powerful flow of the Colorado River, which carved through layers of rock, revealing colors and patterns that tell the story of Earth's history. Scientists believe that some of the rocks at the bottom of the canyon are over 1.8 billion years old, making them some of the oldest exposed rocks on the planet. As the river cut deeper, it exposed different layers of rock, each representing a different period in Earth's geological past. The Grand Canyon is not only a geological wonder, it's also a sacred place for Native American tribes, such as the Havasupai, Hopi, and Navajo. These tribes have lived in the region for centuries and consider the canyon a spiritual and cultural treasure. Their legends, stories, and traditions are deeply connected to the land. In 1919, the Grand Canyon was officially declared a national park, and today it attracts over 6 million visitors each year. People come to hike its trails, take in the views, raft down the Colorado River, or simply stand in awe of its size and beauty. The colors of the canyon change throughout the day, especially at sunrise and sunset, creating unforgettable moments for visitors. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know why the Grand Canyon is considered nature's greatest wonder and how it continues to inspire people from around the world. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.